Hopefully I can edit that. I ran out of storage and it cut out the video, so we're going to keep going. Had to delete a couple of videos off the phone. Alright, so we've got that little guy off. Just a little cover cap there. They should just sort of shimmy off then. Sometimes they're a bit sticky. It wasn't sticky. Just chuck that in the back of the ute. Alright, now I've got to pull off these. At some point it's obviously been, it's a pretty old car, it's been opened. Instead of gluing, they've just taped it. So we might glue it back on, but I just need to get behind the glass here. Alright. Actually, I need to wind the window up. I'm going to use these guys on the lock. On the lock on the back side, it's got like a pin that sort of locks it in. So we'll try and grab that out. And we've also got the rod. The rod's got like a little clip on it as well, but can't see a great deal in there. It's pretty dark. There we are. Okay. Lock. And then that's the little pin. So it sits on there through the rod, and then that little bit, I don't know if you can see, if that's a better angle, that little bit clips on the rod so it holds, so it doesn't fall off. So we'll put them together. And the last thing, I just got to get the handle, and then this has got 2 nuts on the back side of it. And the same thing, it'll have the rod as well with a pin that holds it, so we'll have to get them off. Oh, a little bit tight. Alright. Let's do it. Two-hand job. Come on. Just don't want to lose a little washer on the back of it and they fall down the door. It's hard to find. Let's go. Almost there. And then we just got to take the little chrome strip off the outside of the door too. I love old cars for the simplicity of them. Oh, things might be a little bit worn out, but you think, man, it's just so simple. Door handles and locks and nothing fancy. Window winders, they always work. There's power windows and then they fail, or they go up really slow and they get stuck, and central locking systems that play up. No thanks, bro. go, there we go. That's the other one. We just got to disconnect the rod. Be able to pick it off this. I think that did it. Oh, it didn't do it. It didn't do it, it is still. I can't see it. I'm just feeling it. There it is, I can see now. Come on. That definitely got it. Oops. That one did go down the door. There's your handle. I always just put the nuts back on it so I don't lose them when I go to fit it up. And my little clip. That's a little clip there. Okay. Outside mold. There's a screw just on the corner here. And then back to this guy. That's it. So you just work along it just slowly. There's little plastic clips there that just clip either side of that stainless mold. So that's the door done. We're ready to prep that so we can prime it and then paint it. So I'll keep moving and stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to see more. See ya.